Ken with KenG Fence, Denver, Colorado. 24-foot opening, automatic entrance gate with the walk gate, 48-inch. KenGFence.com, 720-431-0927. It's solar powered. It has a backup battery system. It's an electronic opener from Mighty Mule. It opens up an 800-pound gate. It's got a custom wheel on the front of it. It also has a keypad. So it's powered by the sun. 48-inch walk gate. Backup battery. Powered by the sun with solar. Call KenGFence.com or KenG Fence at 720-431-0927 in Denver, Colorado. Talk to you soon. Mr. Hunter, are you happy with it?
Not yet. I've used it a few times.
Excellent. Well, let's see if it works. Spot on.